To those who expect much, much is expected from them. This boy was born a fiend, and then he became the bitter end.
Shine like a star, fly like a bird, and every single day make it through the rain. Yeah, he's hard, and there's no helping him, but I'ma have to shine like a star, like a
Till
star.
the world understands why I'm here. Every day I'm ducking spears, lies and fears. In the air, I feel conspiracy. Intruders, inventing my privacy. Gotta have my meditation time. Deep pain I've been through, the sun can be my witness. Mi vida is in a trap, optimistic, gotta remain realistic. This mystic lifestyle, slum boy, don't ask me about joy. Not a slave of destiny, peace to my hustlers. This time I'm making it happen. The was degraded, but now upgraded. Like in a game of dice, I'm taking risks. Freak your ears up, listen up, game up. It's time for me to
shine like a star, fly like a bird, and every single day make it through the rain. Yeah, he's hard, and there's no helping him, but I'ma have to shine like a star.
Like Robin Hood, lyrically I'll be robbing hoods to get hitters in a bad mood and fans in a good mood. All the prickishness got a young Africana depressed, slowly burning inside, exposed to cruelty at an early age. When I was poised, when I was told about the pearly gates, wandering from one place to another, trying to find ways to help out my mother. No father, furthermore there's plenty obstacles in my way. How many kids out there living in absolute poverty? This one's for y'all. In fact, I'm on the rise for y'all. The bitter end, understand it's up to you to bring that change. Don't let the past enslave you in the future. Mentally that is, it's time we all
shine like a star, fly like a bird, and every single day make it through the rain. Yeah, he's hard, and there's no helping him, but I'ma have to shine like a star, like a star.
Born a fiend, I be like an I be. What I say gon' see. It's like I'm walking in the valley, and I must be a champion. This rally of struggle. Though I got many opponents, one of them being reality. Ethnocentric like, and hip hop is the culture. Nod your head if you understand what I'm saying. No, I ain't playing. Daily I'm praying against all odds. My faith I blessed in God. I ain't here to change the world, but still I ask why treasure gold than a man's life. Take a good look around you now. You get what I'm saying? No self-pity up against the world so greedy. This one's for the needy and pariahs worldwide. It's time, y'all. It's time, y'all.
Shine like a star, fly like a bird, and every single day make it through the rain. Yeah, he's hard, and there's no helping him, but I'ma have to shine like a star, shine like a star, fly like a bird, and every single day make it through the rain. Yeah, he's hard, and there's no helping him, but I'ma have to shine like a star, like a star, like a star, like a star, like a star.